Hi everyone, today I want to talk about how you can change your face shape by smiling randomly. So let's say I'm sad. How can I speed up the healing process is by smiling. So this is how you trick your mind, by practicing emotion that you want to feel. So start to act on physical first and then it come to you. Because I'm practicing being happy, the chemical in my brain has to match that. And it also change your face shape. Look at the people who are walking on the street and look at their face. If the face is tight and if the face looks angry, that's the reflection what's going on internally. They have been stuck in trauma which is no longer happening because mostly of the people don't know how to release it. So what we do in our courses in this beautiful salon in 7th district called Vienna, things like releasing the trapped traumas. We also practice it here. I always give my ladies homework and also of course face yoga, face massage to release any stress from the body. Whatever emotion you are thinking of, it's going to show up on your face. So make sure you are thinking positive, high vibration thoughts. Otherwise your face is going to get stuck. Your face gets stuck in the patterns you repeat. Ask yourself, do I want to be stuck looking angry or full of shame or super sad? No, you want to be happy, glowing, vibrant. So when you wake up, even after a nightmare, then just think, I don't want my face to be stuck like this whole day. Start playing with your emotions you want to live. And I would love to show you this. Whoever cannot join our face yoga courses in Vienna in 7th district every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. then I also do every month online workshops and I'm gonna release the date soon. Alright girls, I love you and looking forward to see you on our workshops.